Your comeback starts quietly. Everyone thinks a comeback is loud, posting wins, proving people wrong. But the truth, real comebacks start quietly. No announcements, no validation, just you, deciding you're done staying stuck. This video isn't motivation, it's a reset. Step 1, stop announcing your plans. First rule of a quiet comeback: stop telling everyone what you're about to do. The more you talk, the less you move. Energy leaks through words. Move in silence. Let people notice the change later. Action tip: no new era posts, no explaining, just start. Step 2, fix your daily routine. Your life doesn't change because you feel motivated. It changes because your routine changes. Wake up a little earlier, reduce noise, do the basics properly. Daily non-negotiables. Point number 1, sleep on time. Point number 2, 30 to 60 minutes. Focused work. Point number 3, less phone, more discipline. Step 3, get comfortable being bored. Growth is boring. No dopamine, no applause. That's why most people quit. If you can sit with boredom, you're already ahead. Truth bomb: no glow up without grind, no success without silence. Step 4, detach from opinions. People who doubt you now will clap later, or stay silent. Either way, their opinion doesn't pay your bills or build your future. Respect everyone, but don't live for approval. Step 5, stack small wins daily. No giant leaps, just small wins. One day of discipline, then another, then another. That's how quiet comebacks become unstoppable. You're not falling behind, you're preparing. Stay consistent, stay silent. Your comeback is loading. Let results speak. Thank you for being till end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and for more such self-growth videos, subscribe.